everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're using Hobby Lobby's nativity scene to make a DIY. So this was $9.99, and you know that Hobby Lobby's items or the Christmas items are 50% off. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to open up the package, and I'm going to start by laying everything out so I can see exactly what I'm working with. I was looking for this item last year for Christmas, and I guess I was too late because it was all sold out and I could not find it anywhere. So this year I had to go to 2 different Hobby Lobbies, and I was able to find it at one of the locations. And so I was so happy, and I should have got 2 of them, but I may go back and get another one. So now that I have all of my pieces laid out, I'm just looking at the package to see how they designed it and how they laid it out, because I want to mimic it exactly how it is on the package. Not the color, but how they have it laid out. And so that's what you see me doing here. I'm just laying out my pieces to mimic how it is on the package. So these wood pieces came from Dollar Tree. You know, they do sell pieces of wood. So I have 4 pieces. I'm not sure if I will need all 4 pieces. So next I'm going to use some black flat spray paint, and I'm going to take my pieces outside and spray paint them. The only piece that I'm not going to spray paint black is this manger with baby Jesus in it, and then the star. Now you will see me accidentally spray paint the star, but I'm going to easily fix that. So now I have my pieces outside, and I'm just going to spray paint them all black on one side, and then I'm going to let the first side dry for about an hour or 2, and then come back and spray paint the other side. So now that my pieces are dry, I have my 4 pieces of wood from Dollar Tree. And what I'm doing here is I'm going to just lay them all together, because I want to see if I'm going to actually need all 4 pieces. So before I glue them down, I just connect them together. And now I'm going to start adding my characters on top of the wood, because like I said, I want to make sure that I don't need all 4 pieces. And so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just going to go ahead and place them onto the wood, and that'll determine if I need all 4. All right, so I only needed 3 pieces. So here I am gluing them down. I am using hot glue. My hot glue is Gorilla Glue, and this works really, really well on wood. I don't have to use actual wood glue. And so I'm going to go ahead and glue down my 3rd piece, and I have no issues using regular hot glue to glue down wood. So I'm going to glue those 3 pieces together. And so after the pieces have dried, which only takes a few seconds, the next thing that I'm going to go ahead and do is paint my wood. And I'm going to paint it black. It's going to be a matte black color to match the matte or the flat spray paint. So next I'm going to be using this gold paint from Dollar Tree to paint the star. And like I said, I did spray paint it initially when you saw me outside, but it's a quick and easy fix. So I just added the gold paint right on top of the black spray paint. I used a Q-tip because the star is so small, and I just wanted to make sure I was really careful with adding the paint and that it didn't get in other places. And so this is how it looks. It looks so good on top of the black. It looks really, really good. I love the gold pop to it. Now I'm going to use my handheld dryer. I purchased this off of TikTok. TikTok shop back in July, and this fan works so good. It is super powerful. So I use this to dry my paintings. So now I'm going to go ahead and glue down the first part of this nativity set, and I'm just making sure I add my glue to where I want the first part to go. I'm going to add the glue to both sides. Okay, so now that that's on there, I'm going to go ahead and add my pieces on top of the wood. I'm not gluing them down just yet, but I want to put them in place. So when I do go ahead and add the glue, I know exactly where the characters should go. Okay, so now I'm gluing down my pieces. I know exactly where they should go because I lined them up previously. So now all I have to do is just add the glue, hold it down for a few seconds, and glue them down. Okay, last but not least, I'm going to add some gold glue, some glow, I can't even get it out, some gold paint to the angel's halo just to make it pop. And y'all, I really love how this turned out. It looks amazing. As you can see, the gold halo is shining. The star and the baby Jesus manger is shining with the gold touch. And then I added a tea light candle behind the manger just to give it a little bit more pop. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I absolutely love how this turned out. Like I said, I'll probably get me another one because this is gorgeous and I love it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Once again, if you did, let me know. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and also subscribe.